Hello everyone, welcome to AI and Automation Express channel. In today's video in this new series, we will start with the Power Automate introduction. So Power Automate is very good tool recently introduced by the Microsoft to perform automation task. So in this video, we will just take a basic introduction about Power Automate and what are different type of flows available in the Power Automate. I use learn.microsoft.com's this documentation to come up with this video. So thank you for that to Microsoft. First of all, let's talk about what is Power Automate. So Power Automate is having a capability which help you streamline your business processes and automate your repetitive tasks. So just like any other automation tool, Power Automate has the capability to perform a repetitive task automation. Its intuitive interface and many connectors allows you to create a workflow with little and no noise. So this is very good feature by the Microsoft. So Microsoft is calling this as a Power Platform. So Power Platform has a different product which is like a Power Apps or Copilot. All different 6 7 products are there which combined create a Power Platform, and Power Automate is one of them. So you can use any of that application's capability along with different Microsoft products capability like Office or any other products, and Microsoft has a connectors also to integrate different products like if you want to integrate Azure capabilities, or if you want to integrate AWS capability, so all those you can do with Power Automate. Also, you can drag and drop different component and set up your workflow. So just like any RPA tool, you can drag and drop different activities and do your task. Power Automate can handle a simple task like sending notification, as well as more complex processes across multiple application and services. Its flexibility and scalability making it useful for various automation needs like a model workplace. So it has the capability to automate everything. So now let's see what are different type of flows available within Power Automate product. So Power Automate has a three type of flow, which is like cloud flow, desktop flow, and business process flow. So as we know, Microsoft has come up with the two different type of um, setup for the Power Automate product. So one is Power Automate desktop product, which is this, and here on your computer you can create different workflow and you can automate your task. So this is called Microsoft Power Desktop. Okay, and another one is Microsoft web-based interface, which is a you can simply go to the Microsoft Power Automate website, and you can log in using your Office ID or Microsoft ID, and you can launch this Power Automate. So this is a cloud-based Microsoft Power Automate solution. In recent days, Microsoft has integrated a Copilot facility also, so you can just write down about any flow, and using generate you can generate the flow. Okay, so first is we see this desktop type of flow. The another one is like cloud based flow, and you can see like in cloud based flow only you have a automatic cloud flow, instant cloud flow, and scheduled cloud flow. Okay, so let's see everything in detail in this series. Okay? So how many types of cloud flow Microsoft has? Microsoft has a three type of cloud flows. So first one is a automated cloud flows. What is automated cloud flows? It is useful to create an automation that is triggered by a specific event. So if you have some email coming in, and then automation should trigger, or any file is coming in and automation should trigger. So that type of workflow you can create using automated workflow. And what is its target? So it target to create a connectors for clouds or on-premises services, connect your account and enable them to talk to each other. So you can use any different connectors, use them as a trigger, and you can do your job. Second one is instant workflow. So what is instant workflow? Like start automation by selecting a button. So and you can automate your repetitive task. Okay. So it has a simple button. So when you click on that button and your day-to-day activity task, you can do automation using this type of workflow. Here I give an example like instantly send a reminder to the team about some particular event, or if you want to send some daily status report by collecting some of the details. So that type of repetitive task which you are doing every day, that you can develop using this instant workflow. And what is its targeted type of automation, which is like you can use it like for the teams activity or SharePoint activity or your approval activity flow. Now third one is a scheduled flows. So what is scheduled flow? Schedule and automation such as a daily data upload and in the SharePoint and database. So if you have a workflow where like you need to upload every day some files to the SharePoint or box. So for that type of particular scheduled activity, you can use this type of cloud flow. So Microsoft has these three different type of cloud flows supported, which is automatic cloud flow, instant flows, and schedule flow. And you can see you can create all of this in this cloud. And okay. Now the next one is a desktop flow. Desktop flow we already see. Microsoft has this desktop product, and using this desktop product you can create any of your desktop workflow here. And the last one is the business process flow. Business process flow is nothing but like a you can use Microsoft Copilot capability, or you can use here describe it to design all those features with to describe your business process, and you can create that business process flow. So on this in this video, to summarize, we see what is Power Automate product. It has a desktop and cloud both version. Right? With desktop and cloud both version, it is supporting three type of flow, and we see a different type of flows also. Thank you for watching this video, and hope it is useful. So I suggest you to uh, subscribe to my channel and see this video. Thank you so much.